And we use these flashcards to also teach him his colors. And what I would do, since he was little, whenever we were playing, I would say, look at the red car, or your peas are green, and this cup is yellow, etc. And then when we were playing, I would also gather like colored toys, and we'd put them in a group and we'd talk about the color. Just pointing out, the stop sign is red, just as we were going, just all the time reinforcing what we were learning. Preschool Prep Company has videos that are great. They're so simple that it'll probably drive the adults crazy, but the kids picked up really quick, and I've heard that from a lot of my friends. And I'm sure there was something else I was going to say about this. Anyways, that's it. Like I said, he knew all of his colors way before he was 2-year-old, so something was working anyways. I just wanted to share that with you all, and hopefully you can take some of these tips and apply it to teaching your little ones. If you have any questions, let me know.